In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zapier Wix automation. First, log into your Zapier account so you can begin building the automation. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create and choose Zap. This opens a new workflow where you'll define what should happen when someone submits a form on your Wix website. Start by clicking the trigger step. In the app search bar, type Wix, then select it from the results. For the trigger event, choose New Form Submission. This tells Zapier to watch for new entries coming in from a form on your Wix site. Next, connect your Wix account. After the connection is approved, select the specific Wix website and the exact form you want to monitor. This is important if you manage more than one site or have multiple forms, because you want to make sure the automation is tracking the correct one. Now click Test Trigger. Zapier will try to pull in a sample form submission from Wix. Take a moment to verify that the sample data appears correctly. This helps confirm the connection is working and gives you real form fields to use in the next step. Once everything looks good, click Continue. After that, click the Action step. This is where you decide where the Wix form data should go. Select the app you want to send the data to, such as Google Sheets. Then choose Create Spreadsheet Row as the action event. This means every new form submission will create a new row in your spreadsheet automatically. Now connect your Google Sheets account. Once connected, choose the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the form submissions to be stored. After that, map the Wix form fields to the matching spreadsheet columns. For example, you'll want each form answer to go into the correct column so your sheet stays organized and easy to read. When the field mapping is complete, click Continue. Then click Test Step to send a sample entry to Google Sheets. Check your spreadsheet and make sure a new row has been added correctly. If the data appears where you expect it to, then the automation is ready. Finally, click Publish to activate your Zap. To make sure everything is working in real time, submit a test form on your Wix website. Then confirm that the submission is automatically added to Google Sheets without any manual work. That's it. You've successfully connected Wix to Zapier and set up an automation that saves form submissions directly into your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching.